what it stands for is really Consolidated Electrical Distributor. But, you know, it's about service, integrity, reliability, giving the customer what they need.
The electrical distribution industry is very much in everything that we do. I've been working in this field for about 5 years. It is changing due to the fact that our customer base is changing.
And that's what's really pretty exciting is there's so many different avenues. And even within CED, we have so many different, DBAs and different focuses. You know, what this location focuses on, this one doesn't.
Our model allows us to get specifically into markets where our salespeople and those solar contractors can be in close communication.
We are working with manufacturers, people that are building machines to help their facilities run. So anything that touches a wire, from the lighting to the automation, the safety sensors, anything that's moving in the plant, we help them create a solution.
Hey, this is John Hoffman with Keathley Patterson, CED. A part of the UCA Instagram Takeover today. I want to talk through my business. I'm with CED. We sell electrical components into manufacturers. So what we do is we go in and we try to help customers innovate and sell automation products and similar things. Just looking for students that have an interest in learning new things, solving new problems every day. And looking forward to explain our business more. It's a little complicated. When I came here, I didn't know if we sold what we sold.